Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these RWB Pandora One by Solido Models. I got these from Keats Model Cars, and I pre-ordered this 5 months ago today, and we picked it up from the show, and now we gonna unbox it. So let's open it. So this is one of the sought after models from Solido because one, it's cheap, two, the color is nice, and it has some awesome details. So let's open it. So I got these for 69 something plus tax. Porsche doesn't have it anyway. So let's remove the strap. No, okay. That was like damage on the paint, but it's just moist. See? Can be buff, no worries. It's just the moist. So here it is. RWB Pandora One. The only downside on this one is the wheels. As you can see, the details of the wheels is not that perfect because the caliper is inside. You know what I mean? But I think we can make adjustments on that one. Let's see if I can drill those plastics and make it like real wheels. Oh, nice plate. Illest Oregon. RWB. Engine cover won't come up. Bonnet is not opening. The color of this one is so nice. As you can see, there's a decal there. Illest beats of all time. F-Tech. Nice. This one right here. TNT Auto Body, Sacramento. Wow. Let's open the doors. As usual. I don't know guys if you can see it, but nice interior with a green roll cage. Inside is the same. Yeah. Awesome. So this one goes to the collection. What do you guys think? I'm happy. So that's it guys. That's the RWB Pandora One by Solido. It's awesome. Color is awesome. Details are awesome. What can you say? There you are. that's it. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're subscribed already, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye.